Yeah, start.
Started. Okay.
So, hello all. So, so we are going to start a Java session, that is Java programming, and I'll be sharing the screen here. So, and that's- is my screen visible?
Yeah, your screen is
I have
visible. I'm
shared
trying
this.
to make it full screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, more or less. Yes, it's done now. Oh my god.
Okay.
What's going on?
That usually happens. Okay.
Okay.
Is this screen visible? PPT.
Yeah, yeah, this is very much visible.
Yeah. Yeah. So as today is our first session, so we will not go much into the data types and rest of the things.
Okay.
First, we will know what is programming basically. So we'll
Okay.
be knowing what is programming. So programming. So let me ask you guys, like you use a smartphone, right?
Yeah.
So you use YouTube, you use WhatsApp. We guys play games.
Right.
So all these applications are made up of program. So these are created using programs. So we'll understand what is programming and why do we need a programming? Why are we learning programming and especially why Java? So yeah, programming. Programming is instruction to the computer, and what is program? Who is a programmer? We'll come to know what is instruction and output. So let me open this note. Open the new screen. Okay. So we all know how to prepare a tea, right?
Okay.
There are some instructions how to prepare a tea. So first we will be taking water, then we will be boiling the water, right? Then what we'll be doing? We will be adding a tea powder. Then we will add sugar. Then what we'll do? Add milk, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Then we will, after preparing, we will serve. So similarly, we are going to give the instruction to the computer. So humans will give the instructions to the computer to do the task. So computer will be doing the task based on the instruction given. So we have some instructions to prepare the tea. These are the instructions to prepare the tea, right?
Yeah.
So without instructions, we cannot prepare the tea. Similarly, computer does not think like humans. Computer only follows the instructions. If we want computer to do something, so we need to tell them exactly what to do. And these instructions are called programs. These instructions are called programs.
Programs.
Yeah. And next, we will see some example.
Okay.
What example we can say? Let's take maps, Google Maps. Let's say Google Maps. In Google Maps, if there is an application, think that is an application, there will be some routes. Okay, we will be traveling in a car, and it says go left. or go right, or it will say go left, go straight. So all these are instructions.
Yeah.
So these applications are built using programs. Programs is nothing but set of instructions. So we human beings build these applications, that is using the set of programs, using the set of
Instructions.
programs.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, a set of instructions to build these applications. And let me take one more example. There is an ATM. So in ATM, we will be inserting the cards. So when inserting the cards, it will ask for a pin. Enter the pin or select the amount. After that, it will ask for. After that, it will withdraw the cash. Right. So
Yeah.
all these actions are programmed by the programmer. So according to the programs, these
Yeah.
ATM will perform the task. So what happens if the instructions are wrong? Can you tell me what
The
happens
the required
if the
the
instructions?
expected output will not happen.
Yeah. So the expected output will not happen, right?
Yeah.
That's correct. And if we make tea and we added sugar 10 times,
Yeah.
what happens? The tea will become
Not
wrong,
drinkable. Yeah.
or it will not be, yeah, over sugar. If we
Yes.
add sugar for 1,000 times, it will become over sugar and we cannot drink. So it's not the correct instruction. So we have, therefore we have some rules and regulations. So computers do exactly what we tell them. Even if instructions are wrong,
Yeah.
the programs will, what happen, the application will become crash, or it will follow the wrong instructions. Some errors will be coming.
Okay.
Next we will see why programming. Why programming exists? Do you have any idea?
To make our work easier.
Yeah, exactly. To make our work easier. So we have some points here to solve the problems. The problems are like I have given the example. To travel from one place, to travel from one place to another. There might be many shortcut routes also.
Yeah.
So what this Google Maps will do, it will find, sometimes it will find the shortcut routes and say us it will take 2 hours from here, or it will take 1 hour. So this Google Map is programmed. So based on the help of GPS, that is satellite, it will scan these roads, and it is being programmed to
Yeah.
with such an algorithm which will find the shortcut roads. It will also find whether there is traffic or not. So
Yeah.
main problem is to make the problems easier. To solve all these problems, the programming is used. And also we have automate the task. So there are some applications to send the emails for 1,000 people. What we do, we automate these tasks. So if we write the programs and set the timings, and or on based on the instructions we set, these application will automatically perform the task. It will send the email whomever required on the particular time.
Okay.
It will also save the time. It will save the time by automating, or by solving the problems
Yeah.
automatically. So we don't need to manually perform them.
Especially if there's
Building
a kind
software.
of, especially there's a kind
Yeah.
of repetitive work that we need to do all the time. So we can automate that work
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we can save time, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Save time from repetitive works. Yeah, and build software. That's it. Software solves the problem. Software like Google Map or software like Zepto, Zomato, which solves the problem of human beings, those who can't go to shopping. So it will deliver within 10 minutes. So these are the software which why programming is used. So I think someone has joined the session.
It's you only. I think you have joined from two accounts.
No, no, I think
Sunita
presentation.
Gattu. This one admit.
Yeah, okay. Okay, my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Next, what is the programming language? Let's see what is programming language. Any idea on programming language you have?
I have some idea like uh, to understand for the machine to understand what our set of instructions is. There's some what do you say interface through which it understands. That interface is called programming language. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, yeah. Programming language, it is correct. So let's see in an easier manner what is programming language.
Yeah.
Okay. So do we understand Chinese as Indians?
No.
No, because Chinese is a very difficult language and it is also out of country, so we are not used to that language. So basically in India we know English, Hindi, and based on their state I know Kannada,
Yeah.
Malayalam, and those who are from Tamil Nadu they know Tamil Nadu, so Tamil. To
Yeah.
we use this language to communicate to each other. So basically we use to communicate. So similarly, computer uses machine language. So the computer is using the machine language. So this is the language computer uses. So basically machine language is of zeros and ones. For example, it might be 0 1 0 0 1. So we have some rules here like two, sorry, 1, 2, and 4, 8, like that. And
Yeah.
it goes on like the 2 to the power and it will become 16. So here I can say this number is 8 plus 1, that
9.
is 9. Yeah. So in this way, the computer understand and they only understand these zeros and ones. So we are using the programming languages like Java or Python, and some use C, some use C++, some use JavaScript. So all these are programming languages. And next, we will see how these languages helps to communicate with computer. When we write program in Java, what is there is like there is a JVM called Java Virtual Machine. So this will convert the Java code into a byte code. So byte code will be like zeros and ones. So this will be understanding to machine level. So similarly, Python also uses some different engines.
Can you please repeat
So
the one you just said, the previous example that you were saying? What is JVM?
yeah,
Java Virtual Machine?
yeah, we will learn in depth. So just now I said in basics like there is a JVM called
Okay.
Java Virtual Machine in Java.
Okay.
So these JVM will be used to convert the Java code into byte codes.
Okay.
Into byte codes. What these byte codes will do is they help these codes to communicate with the machine level.
Okay. Understood now.
Got it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
So I will explain in depth about the JVM, JDK, JRE. There are many things.
Sure.
So in the coming class, I will be explaining.
Okay.
So now we understood like why programming, what is programming language and why it is required. That is to communicate with the computers. Next,
Sure.
we will see that why we need to learn this programming. Why we need to learn. In programming, when we learn programming language, what are the benefits we have? You have any idea? You can say any points.
The benefits of learning programming language.
Yeah.
We can make use of the ability to instruct a computer to do whatever job we can within the
Okay.
ambit of our resources and our capabilities.
Okay. We can instruct
Yeah.
the computers.
Yes.
Other than that,
We can use it to process our things like data, etc.
okay, we can automate tasks,
Yeah.
right?
Like you just
Yeah.
said, I think it goes the same with the softwares as well. Like you can have a set of problems being solved you by a specific set of programs or something.
Hmm.
Problem
Yeah.
solving.
Exactly. So why we need to learn is one is a career. So there
Okay.
will be a good career as a software developer.
Okay.
We
That.
can become a software developer
Okay.
and we can either work in a company. Okay, there are lots of MNCs and startups,
Yeah.
or else we can work in a startup. We can become a freelancer,
Yeah.
and there are many things. So one thing is a software developer, and we can build our own applications. So according to our requirement, we can build the own application. So we don't need to rely on a other company or other uh, software companies to build applications for us. And yeah, that's all about why we need to learn program.
Yeah.
And okay, now we will see why we are learning Java. Why we need Java. Okay,
Yeah.
so Java is one of the programming language. Java is also one of the programming language. It is used to create applications, websites, banking softwares, and we have mobile applications, and we have enterprise applications. So why Java is specifically used in banking software is because Java is a strong language. It is highly secure. So we give more priority to Java when it comes to building a banking softwares. So why it is secured, how it is secured, we will be learning in the coming classes. Like there are many methods in Java, like different types of methods: public, protected, private, and other one is like default. Yeah. So how we are going to create methods and where we can access these methods, and why C is not